Okay guys, this problem here is number 59. The trick with these guys is, remember, you're dealing with two parts, two problems, two easy problems. First one, this is number 1. You have a dragster accelerates from rest. What's that, VI? V naught, sorry, somebody. Thank you very much. What's that final velocity? Once the drag reaches a top velocity of 145, okay, 145. Its initial position is what? 0, right? Its final position is, we don't know. So what happens if we call this 0? Got it. Its acceleration is 5.10 G's. So somebody tell me how you get the answer. Go to hand it in the calculator. Clear. What? Smith using a calculator? I know it's late. What the hell? Clear. 9.8 times what? 5.1, right? Enter. I get 49.98. So that tells me that my acceleration is 49.98 meters per second. Okay, my time is what? I don't know. So let's figure out how much time it takes to go from here to here. Final velocity, initial velocity. Hey, baby, love me some baby equation. V naught plus AT. He starts at rest. Boom, he's gone. VF is 145 equals my A, my T, 49.98. I gotta find this stylus. If not, then bad boys, $30 to $60. What would Smith do? Switch it. What property is that? It's a metric. Thank you very much. Right? Equals 145. I'm going to divide by 49.98. 49.98. Bam, bam. What cancels? T equals 145.50, a little less than 3, 2.82. Let's see how close your boy is. 145 divided by, I can't remember. 145 divided by what? 49.98. Right? 45. 145 divided by 49.98 equals what? 2.90. 2.90 what? Seconds. That's just part 1. So I'm going to call that T1 for what? Part 1. Part 2. Once the dragster reaches a top speed of 145, it travels at a constant velocity for the rest of the quarter-mile track. Well, guess what? Let's let that be part 2, right? How far is he going to travel? 0. Quarter of a mile is 0.25. Okay, now here comes the problem. We've got to convert 1/4 mile into what? Kilometers into meters, yada 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 yada. So I know, watch how cool this is. Oh, somebody's going to freak out. So let me go ahead and do it up here. I know there are 1,000 meters in what? 1 kilometer. I know there are what? 1.61 kilometers in a mile. 1 mile. I know you can't read that, so you're going to have to listen. Mile. How many miles do I have? 0.25. Okay. 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. 1.6 kilometers, 1 mile, 0.25. Watch how slick this is. This is 0.25 times 1.6, the same thing dividing by 4, which is 0.4 times that should be 400 meters. What? Let's check it out. Let's see, handy dandy calculator. Here it is. Okay, what the hell? Where'd it go? Don't see it. I don't know what I did with it. Great. It's somewhere. Oh, it's down here. I found it. I found it. Slide that bad boy over here. Zoom. 1,000, right? Times what? 1.6 times what? 0.25. Hey, 400. You bunch of doubters. It's 400. So now you know your x naught is what? 0. Your what? xf is what? 400. My what? My velocity is constant, so it's what? Yada yada yada. 145. His final velocity is what? 145, because he's what? Constant. Hey, what's my acceleration? 0, because why? My velocity is constant. What's my T2? That's what you're looking for. Okay, what equation we need to have? Can't use that VF. I'm looking for time. If I use that baby equation, then this guy right here is going to cancel, and I'm going to have 0 equals acceleration, which we already know. I'm going to come squeeze it right up here. I'm going to use xf equals x naught plus what? V naught t plus what? Squeeze it 1/2 a. Oh hell, that's horrible looking, but you get the idea. What the hell? Let's bring it back over here. All right. We see if Thomas will come to class tomorrow. Yeah, we just called you out. All right. Go back to the pen. xf equals what? X naught plus V naught t plus 1/2 at squared, right? Since the acceleration is 0 and x naught, then we just left with what? xf equals v naught. My v naught was v naught t. xf was 400 equals 45t. So t equals what? 400 divided by 45. Okay. Alright, if I divide each of those by 5, I get 80 over 9, which should be about 8 point something. Let's see what I get. Handy dandy calculator. Whoa, hold up here. Handy dandy calculator is 400. What was it? 400 divided by what is this right here? 400 divided by 45. Yep. 400 divided by 45. Hit that enter. Hey, 8.89 what? Seconds. So T2 is 8. Oh heck, that's just messy. T2 T2 equals what? 8.89. So now you get to come over here and say T total is equal to what? T1 plus what? T2, which is what? 2.9 plus 8.89, I think. I can't remember. Handed in the calculator. 400. Yeah. Divided by what? 45 equals what? 8.89. So those two together should be 2.9 plus 8.89 should be, I can't think. I'm feeling 11.79 seconds for the total distance. That's a pretty good problem. Remember, this problem is just like the next three. You gotta break it up into pieces. Thanks, Vicky. All right.